Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a square prism, model of square prism. For that we need two squares. You see, this is one square, this is another square, and the length of this square is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and this is also 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, right? And we need four rectangles. You see, like this. This is one rectangle. Here you see, this is rectangle 1. The length of this side is 13 centimeter and breadth is, we have taken 6 centimeter. Like this, you have to take four rectangles. Here you see, we have taken four rectangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? You have to take four rectangles 1, 2, 3, 4 having side 6 centimeter and then you have to take 13 centimeter. You can use any other length also. Right? Now for square prism you need two squares having length 6 centimeters. You see, and there are four rectangles 1, 2, 3, 4. The length is 13 centimeter you have taken and the breadth is 6 centimeter. Now how you can use these four rectangles to make a square prism? You see, this is the method, this is the way in which you can make a square prism. This is the net. This is the net of the prism, net of the square prism. You see, this is the net of the square prism. Now, you can use Fevicol also, but here we are using sellotape. But you can use Fevicol also. In this way, you can make a square prism very easily. Right? This is the basic structure of a square prism. You see how you are making a square prism. You have to take this square and you have to put the squares on top and the base also. Now you have to make the base also. This is the basic structure of square prism. Now I have to make the base also. Now you have to make the base. Let us make the base also. Like this, we are making the base. This is the basic structure of a square prism. Right? This is a square prism. Here see, this is the basic structure of a square prism. That means we have taken two squares, 1 and 2, and 4 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4. The side of the rectangle, the side of the square we have taken is 6 centimeter, 6, 6, 6, 6, and the in rectangle we have taken this is 6 centimeter and this is 13 centimeter. Right? You can use any other length also. Now this is our rectangular prism. Now with colored paper you can make this rectangular prism beautiful. Right? Now I will show you the properties of a rectangular prism. Properties means what are the surfaces? How many surfaces are there in a square prism? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 surfaces in a rectangular prism. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices in a rectangular prism. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 8 edges, right? That means there are 12 edges. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges in a square prism. There are 8 vertices in a square prism and there are 6 surfaces in a square prism. In this way, you can make a square prism very easily. Again, we are repeating that you have to take two squares having length 6. Here you have taken 6 centimeter. You can take any other length also. Here 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 4 rectangles. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles, and the length of this rectangle. The length of this rectangle is 13 centimeter we have taken, and the breadth we have taken as 6 centimeter. In this way, we can make a square prism very easily. You see, this is square prism. This is square prism, and with this colored paper, you see, with this colored paper, you can make the square prism very beautiful, right? This is the way in which you can make a square prism very easily. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.